Web3 Bridge Cohort 9, sponsored by Base.
I'm here to talk about my week 8 in Web3 Bridge. So week 8 we started frontend and we took a refresher. For me, it was a refresher on React because I've been a front-end developer and I've stayed away from it since I joined the program. So it was a refresher going through the documentation, relearning about the hooks and actually practicing how front-end works again. And the week was fun, the class was fun. I was able to understand everything and even learn more on some things I've always been a bit blurry about.
Our mentor started React from scratch for us and took us through the various React hooks, use states, use effects, use contexts, and so on. And we went through the documentation, solved all the exercises and the practice questions. And it was quite interesting. It actually showed me my weaknesses in the front-end aspect. And yeah, I learned a lot. I knew what to work on for myself. And I'm quite grateful that we had an amazing mentor that took us through the whole process step by step.
The first thing that we did was that we went to look at React documentation. So we talked about the basics of React, which is JavaScript, and we also talked about BS6 implementations of JavaScript. It was actually fun for us because even though a lot of us were not actually into deep front end, but that revision kind of made us understand what it means to have a front end for the app. So we actually talked about how we connect wallets, how we write to the blockchain, and how we read from the blockchain
to integration, how to integrate your smart contracts with a front end app efficiently. We looked at, for the first thing we did was looking at how MetaMask works, right? So we were introduced to the Ethereum method, and that's what initiates and injected Web3 DApp, or should I say wallet, and injected Web3 wallet. That's what we introduced to in the first week. We looked at how to actually use it in our app to make it functional. That's connecting both the wallet and the DApp together. That's a smart contract now, making everything work. And I think that's basically what we tried to do and cover in week 8.
And about mapping, filter, working with arrays and objects, reading data from the blockchain and whatnot. And we're also introduced to React. React is the front-end library for the front-end JavaScript library for building component-based applications on the web. So we are used to React, how to use React, concepts, and we're also used to how to develop our own hooks, like custom hooks. We also used to use context API for passing data that will be used globally throughout the whole data.
Yeah, and I wish we add more ways, but then I'm grateful for the few we had. Yeah, thank you very much.
Web3 Bridge Cohort 9, sponsored by Base.